based on the popularity of a previous version that I did of this trick, I thought I'd give a tutorial on how to do the same trick a little bit different, maybe a little bit better. So you start off with a completely shuffled regular deck of cards, and you have the spectator go ahead and point to any card that they want. Let's say they point to that one. Now, it doesn't matter if you see the card because they will be signing the face of the card. So you take it, turn it over, hand the spectator a pen, and they sign it. Okay, let it dry a little bit here. Now you can take their card and place it in the middle of the deck, completely losing their card. Okay, that's not the middle. Let's go right here. That's the middle. All right, I'll even place it in slowly so you can see the card disappear into the middle. Okay, it's completely gone, and I can even give the deck a shuffle. Now I'll shuffle them so the face is away from me, so I can't see what card, where their card is, because they signed the face of the card. So obviously if I looked shuffling down this way, I could see where their card is. Okay, there, it should be completely mixed up in the deck. Now, as I said, if I looked at the faces of the cards, I could go through and find their card pretty easily because I could just have to look for the signed card. However, if I look through the backs of the cards and look for maybe an indication that there might be a marking or some other kind of indication that there may be on the back of the cards, I might be able to tell what card the spectator picked. And it looks like there is one card that is marked on the back. And I don't know, but maybe the spectator's card could possibly be this one. And then you can hand this card to the spectator and they can take that home as a souvenir. And that's this one 2.0. Before I let you know how I did this one, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. As in the first version of this, you do need a gimmick. And this is it. It is called a re-sticky card. So you have to make this, and to make this, you're going to need one of these. Now this is a special glue stick. It's not regular glue. You have to look for re-stickable glue stick. This is the same kind of glue that's used in things like sticky notes, Post-it notes. So this is a re-stickable glue stick. You can find them online. I had to go to a specialty art store to find this one. They're a couple bucks, but this is kind of a magician's friend. And if you find one, get two of them, because you never know when you're gonna need something to use it for. So that's the secret here. You're gonna need that. And so get a spare card, one you can ruin, get your glue stick and just go 1, 2, 3 swipes on the card and let it dry. The instructions say to let it dry for 90 seconds, but you know, just to be safe, give it a couple of minutes to dry once you do that. And then it has, you know, the same glue on it as a a sticky note. So you get that, and then you get another extra card that you can throw away. You write whatever you want on the back of it, okay? And then this is the re-sticky card, and then you just stick these together, okay? And so they stick together pretty well, and they come apart pretty well. So that's kind of a secret to this one. And you can toss this card, you can throw it around, you know, it's together. So you have your gimmick prepared, and then I force the card on the spectator. So to do that, you know, I use the classic force, and I have a tutorial for that, and I put the link for that in the description. So you have the gimmick card ready to go on top. And then I just classic forced it. And it's easier to do a classic force with this card because you can feel that it is kind of two cards. You know, point to a card, they point to that one. You see the back of the card, obviously there's no writing on it. You say it doesn't matter if I see the face of it, you turn it over, okay, and then have them sign their name on it. Okay, and then you say let it dry. And then the secret to get it, the card to detach, is if you just slide it in the deck, okay, it'll sandwich itself in between other cards. So it automatically sandwiches and separates, and then when you push the card in slowly, it'll just stick to another card in the deck and separate this one card. So here's the gimmick now, it's on another card. There's your this one card. And once you have that done, you can shuffle them, and that's why I shuffle them with the face towards the audience. So I say, you know, I don't want to see your signature on a card because then I can know where it is if I look at the faces of the cards. So I'll shuffle this way, and then when you do that, you can see the this one card wherever it ends up. It's on the bottom now, and so once you put their card in, you're set to go to find the one. You just look through the cards on the back, look for the one that says this one, and you know, when doing that, you're showing all the cards, they're just regular cards, and then except for one, and then it's got words on the back that are handwritten, you know, how did that happen? And it's their signed card, the card that they saw and signed. And the best part about it, you can give them this card as a souvenir to take home, and they'll remember you forever. So that's this one 2.0. Please let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Until next time.